David Weekley Homes' stunning townhome community, Ashbury, and the city of Alpharetta have one exciting thing in common. They are both award winners. Alpharetta has been named the #1 best suburb to live in Georgia by niche rankings. Not to be outdone, Ashbury brought home 2 prestigious awards from the Atlanta Home Builders Association Obie Awards in 2022. Featured in the community's model home and marking one of the best-selling plans at Ashbury, the Danielson was honored for Best Interior Merchandising and Best Building Design. A stroll through this gorgeous model home serves as an excellent introduction to one of North Fulton County's most superlative gated townhome communities. Packed with possibility when fully loaded, future Ashbury homeowners who select the Danielson plan, which I'm in right now, could enjoy up to 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, 3 indoor gathering spaces, and 1 outdoor living space. Boasting a cozy yet current feel, each professionally decorated showroom showcases an eclectic design sensibility that combines natural textures, warm woods, bold metals, and whimsical patterns. Each on-trend design choice is painstakingly selected to highlight the architectural details of this 3-story floor plan. Must-see spaces include the entertainment-friendly open concept on the main level and the tranquil, modern, farmhouse-inspired owner's retreat with luxury bath on the top floor. As if this isn't enough to inspire you to make the move to Ashbury, a second spectacular model home is located just next door. Adding to the lore of Ashbury is its central social scene found around the fire pit under its barn-inspired pavilion on cool evenings, or at the adjacent leisure pool on sunny summer days. David Weekley Homes invites you to discover this incredible townhome community of Ashbury. You can visit both of the model homes and explore the surrounding area. To learn more about Ashbury, you can go to their website, davidweekleyhomes.com.